If you want to customize the quick panel on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, on your smartphone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now just make sure that your smartphone is paired with your Galaxy Fit 3. If it is not paired, it will show a pair or connect button over here. Just tap on it to connect your phone with your Galaxy Fit 3. As you can see, our phone is paired with our Galaxy Fit 3. Now the next step is to tap on Quick Panel over here. And from here, you will be able to customize the quick panel of your Galaxy Fit 3. For example, I will remove the quick settings which I do not want in my quick panel. Just tap on the minus icon on the feature which you want to remove from the quick panel of your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. As you can see, we have removed some quick settings from our quick panel, and you can add them by tapping on the plus icon over here. Just like that. And once you're satisfied with your settings, just tap on Save. Now, if you open your Galaxy Fit 3, as you can see, we have successfully customized the quick panel on our Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. And this is how you can customize the quick panel on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.